All right, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Less Health with Ange, also author of How to Eat Plant-Based Like a Boss. So today I'm gonna show you a super simple lunch meal prep. Okay, so I got Gardein beefless grounds, I got chopped kale. I usually use spinach, but kale will work just fine. Corn. I'm feeling lazy today, and that's why this is super easy, super quick, because I already got my peppers and onions cut up, and then I got some rice cauliflower. Let's get it. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start sauteing these peppers and onions with my beefless ground. So this cooks up just like ground turkey, ground beef, ground whatever. I'm gonna use one of these vegetable bouillons. Okay. Go ahead and get the cauliflower and kale going. This is just a low heat over here. All right, finished product. So corn's in, everything's blended, smelling delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Meal prep for the next couple days of lunch is complete.